Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to see more amazing tech content like this. With that all out of the way, let's just get started. Hey, what is up guys, Future Sankey here, and before the video starts out, shout out to Aritra Selva for helping me shoot the entire video. Now that's all done, let's just get started. So when you're mostly shopping for a laptop, you come across Intel. But then have you ever seen laptops by AMD? So the laptop we're going to be taking a look at is the Lenovo Ideapad S145. And it is the AMD version, and trust me, it's worth every penny. So at its asking price of $34,999 or $470 approximately, is it worth it? Let's take a look by unboxing the product and giving you my first impressions. So let's open the box which it ships in. Whoa man, that took a long time to cut open. Anyways, here's the laptop box and let's open it up. So the first thing that comes out is the laptop, and let's keep it aside for a moment. And there is the power adapter. Let's take a look at it. So it is a 65 watt power adapter and similar in design to the power adapters that Apple ships in their MacBooks, and it is a barrel plug, not a Type-C adapter, which is a bummer, but that's what you expect at this price range. Not like the ones HP ships in their laptops, which is actually not easy to carry around. So let's take off the styrofoam and unwrap the laptop I would love to say it's actually well designed and solid enough for its price range. So let's take an overview. On the left, we have our barrel plug, a charging status indicator, a HDMI port, one USB 2.0 port, and two USB 3.0 ports. On the right, we have our full-size SD card slot and a headphone jack. So here are the specifications. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3500U clocked at 2.1 GHz with Radeon Vega 8 graphics. It has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2400 MHz. It has a 15.6-inch 1080p display, which is really good, and coupled with the speakers tuned by Dolby, it would be definitely good enough for content consumption. The laptop weighs around 1.8 kilograms. So now let's take a look at the benchmarks. Overall, I would like to say this is a really good laptop for its price compared to its Intel counterparts. The biggest advantage being the integrated Vega 8 graphics, which outperform the integrated graphics on those laptops. But the downsides, in my opinion, are the hard drive and not including a USB-C port. A simple replacement of the hard drive in the laptop to an SSD would definitely give the laptop a speed boost. But something like the USB-C port is ever increasing in many consumer products that not including one is a bummer. So that is my 2 cents on the Lenovo Ideapad S145. So that's it for this video. Make sure to give a like and comment down below any suggestions you have for future videos. A sub would be amazing to this channel. This is Thank You, and I'm signing off.